Hi, I'm James from ChamSys here at InfoComm 2026, and we're showing here the award-winning QuickQ series. There's a few different products in the QuickQ range. This is our QuickQ 20 console. It's a 2-universe console. And the idea of QuickQ is if you can use a smartphone, you can use a QuickQ. So it takes away all the complications of traditional lighting consoles, so ideal for volunteer operators, super simple layout. The home screen or the display on the console here, if I go to the home screen, shows me my fixtures visually laid out. I can unlock, I can add a grid, and I can snap my fixtures and lay them out exactly as they are on my venue. I can even add a background image, so I can real-time put a picture of the stage, the venue, drop the fixtures in, make it super simple for someone in the venue to understand where things are and select them. So I can select this profile here, and we have our attribute control at the top, intensity, position, color, beam. If I go to color, for example, we have in our color picker, we have a full control of all the emitters, so if the fixture has red, green, blue, amber line, whatever, full control, and it shows me the colors that fixture is able to actually render, which I can visually see on the screen here. We go across the beam. It's a multi-touch display on the QuickQ console, so if I go to something like beam, I can visually go and pick things like gobos, swiping through like the wheel. Multi-touch, I can go and zoom, open and close the iris. And we're showing here at InfoComm version 13 software, Lucky 13, where if we go to the framing window here, we now have framing shutters on the console. So profile style fixtures, visually allowing me to grab things like the framing shutter blades, move them around, bring them in and out on the fixture. So do come and see us here at InfoComm, and if you can't make the show, go to the ChamSys website at chamsys.co.uk where you can find more information about the QuickQ series, and watch this space because we have the new updates to the QuickQ consoles coming in just a couple of weeks' time.